Good evening. India's External Affairs Minister Sri S. Jaishankar is on a 5-day visit to Russia. India and Russia are signing certain important agreements, and one of them is related to Kudankulam nuclear power plant. And this is the pact between India and Russia. Regarding this, I have a question and I would like to share that question with you. We'll try to answer this. But before that, some information for you. India and Russia has a time tested friendship. India and Russia are friends for quite a long period of time. On December 26, 2023, both the nations have signed very important agreements related to the construction of future power generating units of Kudankulam nuclear power plant. Very important one. So this is one of the very important nuclear power plants in India, and I have a question on this one. I would like to share the same with you. Let's read the question and let's try to answer it correctly. Look at the question carefully. Which of the following statements is or true regarding Kudankulam nuclear power plant? Clear? So the question is very clear. This question is related to Kudankulam nuclear power plant. 4 statements are given. Out of these 4, minimum 3 are right. Minimum 3 are right and 4 may be correct. Fine. So we need to find out, so what are the correct statements here? If you look at statement number A, it is India's largest nuclear power plant. It means Kudankulam nuclear power plant is the largest, and this is being built in Tamil Nadu. Obviously, yes. So number 1, this is being built in Tamil Nadu, and this is the largest nuclear power plant in India. Clear? So statement A is very much correct. If you come to statement number 2, the technical assistance for this particular power plant, nuclear power plant, is being provided by France. Is being provided by France. So like this, the questions may be asked. Since we are discussing about India-Russia pact, obviously by now you would have understood that this is not France but this is Russia. And your guess is very much right. But it should not be a guess in the examination. You have to be very clear with this. So the technical assistance is being provided by Russia, not by France. So statement B is wrong. Clear? Once you know statement B is wrong, you can look at the options. So you can look at the options 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you already minimum 3 should be correct. Right? And 1 is wrong already. So statement B is already wrong. We can see statement B in option number 1. So definitely this is not the correct answer. Statement B is present here. So this is also not correct. Right? Statement B is also present in option 4. That is also not correct. Statement B is not present in option 3. Hence that should be the correct answer. Meaning, without reading statement C and D, you can come to a conclusion. This is how you can save time in the examination. But for our understanding, let's read the statements. Statement C and D also. Have a look at this. The construction began in March 2002. Very much correct. The first power unit is operating since 2016 at its designated capacity of 1000 megawatts. That is also right. So if you look at A, B, C, D, statement B is wrong. That is not France. That is Russia. Right? So you got the answer now. So if you look at the option 3, that is the correct answer. And how we came to the conclusion, I just told you. If you practice questions like this in the examination, you will be in a position to save lots of time. Clear? Thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you in the evening. Please, in the description, Telegram channel link has been given. Please get added to that. Please follow me through Telegram channel. All updates will be provided to you from time to time. Along with that, in the description, I have given the link with respect to APPSC Group 1 and Group 2 examination link. Please download the app and join the course if you are preparing for that examination. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session.